Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many of us have encountered at some point. Picture this. You're working on your computer, fully focused, in the zone, when suddenly, out of nowhere, your screen goes black. You panic for a split second, wondering what's going on. The problem? Your computer has gone into sleep mode, interrupting your workflow and causing a minor heart attack. But fear not, because we have a solution for you. Let's talk about the solution to this annoying problem. By adjusting your computer's sleep settings, you can prevent it from going into sleep mode and interrupting your work. Simply head over to the control panel on Windows or System Preferences on Mac. Look for the power options and tweak the settings to your liking. You can choose to extend the time before the computer sleeps or disable sleep mode altogether. This solution will keep your computer awake and your workflow uninterrupted. Problem solved. In addition to adjusting the sleep settings on your computer, you can also prevent it from going to sleep by regularly moving your mouse or tapping a key on the keyboard. This simple solution tricks your computer into thinking you're active and prevents it from entering sleep mode. It's a quick and easy workaround to keep your screen from going black unexpectedly. No more interruptions in the middle of your work session. In summary, the next time your computer decides to take an unscheduled nap, remember that you have the power to adjust its sleep settings and keep it awake when you need it most. Say goodbye to the surprise black screens and hello to uninterrupted productivity. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your favorite computer mishap story. Until next time, happy computing!